BIC stands for block trade at index close. A BIC trade is a type of block trade for a large institution where the price of the trade is determined based on the next closing index value of the underlying index. Once that price is determined, then it's reported to the exchange just like any other block trade. The contracts clear and settle at OCC, just like all our equity index futures contracts. And like all of our block trading at NYSE Liffe U.S., there are no additional fees associated with a BIC trade or any block trade for that matter. BIC trading can be done on any of our equity index contracts, our MSCI Emerging Markets mini index contract, for example, or a mini MSCI EFA contract are two of the more popular equity index contracts we currently trade. Well, we did this for customers basically because they asked, and the institutions really have a need for these for this type of trade to manage their risk. They also, for example, are interested in having the future based on the net total return version of the index as well as the price return version of the index, because that helps them manage a different kind of risk, the risk that the dividend associated with that index is not estimated properly when the future is priced. So there are different ways that the BIC can be used in connection with the price return index or the net total return index to match a specific investor's needs. It became very clear that one of the concerns that they had was their ability to trade, get into and out of the contracts at a manageable spread against the closing index value. Their benchmark often is the closing index value, and so they want to trade as close to that index value as possible and minimize their tracking error. By allowing for a BIC trade, these institutions now can have a better tool to help them manage that risk of mistracking when they get in and out of the contract. For an international index, especially a regional index like MSCI Emerging Markets or MSCI EFA, the index itself closes over a period of time, and it makes it very difficult to track that benchmark index close very precisely. Having the BIC helps that. The response to the BIC trading initiative has been really positive. Overall, our open interest and trading in the contracts has grown substantially since we listed them a couple of years ago, and the BIC process, we feel, will really help grow that, the open interest and the volume in these contracts going forward. We appreciate all the business from our customers, and to the extent there's anyone out there that has any questions, they should feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help them.